we were in 4A exercise. Okay, have you revised it? Whatever we have done in class, have you revised it? Once again, have you done those questions? Okay, every day you will do those questions again. Whatever we discussed in class, you have to do it again. Okay. So first question we have completed. Second question as well, we have completed. Third, we have completed or not? Third one.
Yes, sir.
Second we have to start.
Second, we haven't done.
And second part we have to start.
The fourth.
Second question. Second part we have to start.
No, sir. Fourth, second part.
Okay, first part we have completed. We start from second. It's okay. Okay, from second. Okay. So I'll ask the students. So we have 2x cube. 2x
Sir, you have
cube.
done yesterday.
We have done it. Third one.
Sir, we have to start from third.
Sir, we have to start
Third.
with fourth first.
Okay, third will start. Okay, we'll start from third. Okay, so third part, 32 mn square. 32 mn square minus 24 np square. Okay, so let me ask Abhinav, you answer this one. 32 mn square minus 24 np square. So first among the constants, the numbers, you have to take the common out. What will be the common between 32 and 24? So if you do not know, take the highest common factor. 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay. 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. Okay. So what are the common factors? 2 we have done. These are the common factors. Highest common factor between 32 and 24 will be 8. 8 it will be HCF. So what you have to take common out? 8 you have to take common out. Okay. So 8 you have taken common out. Okay. So for example, okay, if we do in 2 steps, 8, what will remain inside? 4 mn square minus 8 3s are 24 np square. Now see here what is common between them? N is common. So take n out as well. 8n 4 mn minus 3p square. Is it fine? Have you understood? All the common we have taken out. Now what are the factors? 8 is a factor, n is a factor, and 4mn minus 3p square is a factor. These are the factors. We have factorized it. Okay, clear? Okay. Third one, Anita, you tell. Third one, Anita. 2x plus 2y. Okay, it's third first. 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Anita, unmute yourself and tell the answer. 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Take the common out among 3. 3 terms we have. Take the common out. Khushbu. Khushbu, unmute yourself and tell the answer. Khushwant. Khushwant, what will be the answer? 2x plus 2y plus 2z. So what is the common in the numbers? In constants, what's the common? What's common? Soumya?
Sir, 2 is common.
2 is common. Is it Soumya? Soumya. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2 is common. X plus y plus z. I get confused by the name sometimes, like Bhavya is there, Bhavya is also there. Okay, sometimes it gets confused. Okay, so 2 is common, x plus y plus z. Okay. Okay, next one, 6a minus 8b plus 12c. 6a minus 8b plus 12c. Lucky, what will be the common here? 6a minus 8b plus 12c. 6a. Yes. 6, 8, 12. What will be common between them? Take the highest common factor out.
2.
2 will be the common factor, okay? So what will remain here? 3a
3a
minus
minus
4b
4b
plus
plus 6c.
plus 6a plus 6a, okay? Next one, Abhimanyu, 9a square minus 6a minus 18. 9a square minus 6a minus 18. 9a square minus 6a minus 18. What will be common? Highest common factor between 9, 6 and 18?
3.
3 out.
3.
Okay. 3a square
3a minus 2a minus 6.
minus 6. Okay. These are the factors we have factorized. Okay. Next one, Gargi. Next one, Gargi, third we have completed. Okay. Fourth, first. X square y plus x square y plus x y square minus 5x. Gargi, unmute yourself and tell me the answer. Jatin, you tell the answer. X square y plus xy square minus 5x. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Sneha, you tell. X square y plus xy square minus 5x. What is common in all these three terms? What is common in all these three terms? Among these three terms, what is common? Daksh. Okay. Div. X is common. Take x out. What will remain? X will taken. Its power 2, only 1x will remain. Plus y square minus 5. Have you understood? You taken x out. So x squared divided by x, x. It's 0. And this again, x is to power 0. Okay. So 1, 1. This is clear. Next one. Next one, Harshit.
Yes. Sure.
24 p square q minus 4p q square plus 6 pq. So between the numbers first, the constants you find 24, 4, 6. This quotient number. What is common?
2.
2 is common. Okay. 2 we take out. Okay. And between once we take 2 out. Okay. So it will be 12 p square q minus 2
2
pq square plus 3
plus
pq. What more is common now? See here. pq is common, okay? pq take out 2 pq. What will remain here? 12 p square. P we have taken, 1 p will remain. Q is out, okay? 2 p is out, 1 q. 2 q plus 3. This will be the answer.
plus 3.
Plus 3. Thank you. So this will be the answer. 2 pq into, these are the factors. 2 is a factor, p is a factor, q is a factor, and this is the factor. Okay. Next one, 5x cube minus 10 x square y. Everyone keep doing your notebook. Okay, and try to solve before me. Okay. Next one, Bhavya. Next one, Bhavya. 5x squared minus 10x squared y plus 15xy squared. So what is common?
Sir, only
Okay.
Bhavya or Bhavya Chaudhary.
Okay, one is Bhavya, other is Bhavya Chaudhary. Okay, Bhavya Chaudhary, you replied. Replied
Sir, 5x is common.
5 and x is common. Okay. In one step also we can do, or we can take two steps. Okay. For example, we are taking two steps. 5x cube minus 2x square y plus 3xy square. Now still we see x is common. So take x out. 5x x square minus 2xy plus 3y square. Okay. Check whether it's correct or not. 5 is the factor, x is a factor, and this is a factor. Okay. Have you all understood? Okay. Try fourth one now. Everyone try fourth one till I rub it. Try fourth one, everyone. Try fourth question. Everyone try fourth one. Fourth one. 36 x square y minus 12 x y cube minus 18 x square y square. This is the question. Okay. So everyone try it. Okay. 36 x square y minus 12 xy cube minus 18 x square y square. So first between 30 among 36, 12 and 18, what is the highest common factor among them?
6.
6. Is it 6? If we do not know what we will do, 36 factorize it. 2, how much it will be? 18, 2, 9, 3, 3, 1. These are the factors of 36, prime factors. 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. 18, 2, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. These now see what are common. 1, 2 is common and 1, 3 is common. Okay. So what is the highest common factor? 6. 6 is the highest common factor. 6 we have taken outside once. Okay. In next step we'll do that one. 6 x square y minus 2 xy cube minus 3 x square y square. Now what is common here? If we take x is common among them all. X square, x square, x is common. We take x out. And what more is common? Y cube, y square. So y is as well common. So either next step you take x out, next step you take y outside, or together as well you can take out. Okay. So how much will be remaining? 6 x squared divided by x, y divided by y. Okay. Minus 2 y square minus 3 xy. This will be the answer. 6 is a factor, x is a factor, y is a factor, and this is a factor. 6x minus 2y square minus 3xy is a factor. Is this clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fifth one, everyone try. Fifth one, you start doing. Till I rub the board, try fifth one, everyone. Fifth first, everyone start doing. Fifth, everyone start doing. Fifth first. Five x cubed y square z plus 10x square y cube plus 25x y cube. 5x square y square z 10x square y cube 25x y cube. Okay. So what is the common? What's common there?
5.
5. 5 is common. We can take 5 out. Okay. We are doing in steps. Okay. So next one. X cube y square z plus 2x square y square plus 5x y cube. What more is common? X is common. 5x.
X is
What more is
common.
y square, y
square.
square? Y square is common. Okay. So now divide
Sir, in
it by
second. Sir,
Y
you
cube
have
it
right.
y cube it is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here it will be x square, y square we have taken outside, and z will be there. So 2 will be there. X square, x we have taken outside. So what will remain? X will be there. Y cube, y square we have taken out. Y will remain. Plus 5. X we have already taken out. Y square we have taken. Y will remain. So this is the
Y.
answer. Y is the answer. This is the answer. So 5 is a factor, x is a factor, y square is a factor, and this is a factor. Is it clear to all?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Try next one. Try next one, everyone. Keep doing your notebook. Okay. Try next one. Next one. So what is the common? 6,
2.
8, 10. 2 is common. Okay, we write it again. 3x cube yz minus 4x y cube z plus 5x y z cube. Now see what is common. If you take x,
X, Y, Z.
x is common. Okay. What more? Y
Y.
is common. Z
Z is
Z cube. Z is common. Okay. So what will remain x, y, z if you remove 3? X, one x is
3x
gone.
square.
X square. Y
3x
is already
square.
gone. Z. Okay. Now
Minus
here
4.
4. X is
4
already we
Y
have taken
square.
out. Y is taken out. Y square will remain. And Z we have already taken out. Plus 5. X we have taken. Y we have taken. Z also we have taken.
Z is
So
square.
Z square. 1 we have taken. Z square will remain. So these are the factors 2x, y, z, and this is the factor. These are the factors of the given expression or polynomial. Okay, try next one, everyone. Third one, everyone try. Third one, everyone try. Everyone try the third one. Keep doing in your notebook. Okay, solve before me. And when I do them on the board, check it once with your answer. Okay, that way you have to do. Solve it. Everyone solve the next one. 12abc minus 6a square b square c square plus 3a cube b cube and c cube. First, check with these numerical quotients. 12, 6, 3. What is common in them? 3 is common.
3.
3.
3 take out. Okay. What more we can take if you want to write directly? Okay,
A,
we'll
B,
do it
C.
next step. We'll do it in next step. A square, B square, C square plus A cube.
A cube, B cube, C cube.
Now see what is common. A square, A cube. A is out. B, C. C, A, B.
A, B, C.
A, B, C minus 2ABC plus
2
B, C plus A square, B
2
square, and C square.
plus A square plus B square plus C square. So 3ABC is common. We have taken out. And these are the factors. 1 factor, 2, 3, 4, 5 factors. These are the factors of the given expression. Okay. Everyone tries this one. Okay, everyone tries this one. Whatever common, take out. Everyone tries this one. Five A plus 6B. A 5A plus 6B minus B 5A plus 6B. This is the expression given. Now see what is the common. This is one term, this is second term. What is common in them? What is common? 5A plus B is common.
6B.
This whole is common.
Yes, sir.
Here as well, here as well. So take it out. 5A plus 6B. What will remain inside?
A minus B.
A minus B will remain. 5A plus B common, A minus B will remain. Okay, try next one. 4x minus 2y minus 2x. 2x is here. 2y.
Yes, 3y.
Minus 3y it is. Minus 3y. Okay, here minus 3y. X minus 3y. This is the question. 4x minus 3y minus 2y x minus 3y. Now see here what is common. This is one term, this is other term. Two terms here, what is common is x minus 3y, x minus 3y. So take it out. X minus 3 we are taken. So what will remain here? 4 will remain here. What will remain here? Minus 2y will remain. These are the factors of this expression. Clear? Okay. Try next one. Till I rub the board. Try next one. 3 terms are given in 7. 3 terms are given in 7. Try it. Three terms are given. A, okay, it is A x minus y minus b x minus y plus c x minus y. Okay, this is the expression. First term, second term, third term. What is common in all these 3 terms? X minus y.
X minus Y.
Okay, if we are taking x minus y out, what all will remain? What is remaining here? A. What will remain here? Minus b. And here? Plus c. So this is the answer. X minus y into a minus b plus c. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
7th A. Okay, try next one. Try next one. Try second. Two x 2a plus 3b. plus 3x plus 3y. 2a plus 3b minus 2z, 2a plus 3b. Is it 4? It's 4z.
Yes, sir. 4z.
Z. Okay. Now, first term, second term, third term. Okay, what is common in them?
Sir,
2a plus 3b.
2a plus 3b.
We will take 2a plus 3b out. 2a plus 3b out. Okay. And what will remain here? 2x plus 3y and minus 4z. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now try next one. Try next one. Whatever common is, take them out. Pushpu, please mute yourself. Okay. Try next one. Try next one. After completion of this chapter, we won't start fourth week. We'll start tomorrow. Okay. So whatever time will remain, we'll talk. Okay. 4 or 5 minutes it remains. Okay. Do the next one. Third one. A plus B. 2a plus b plus 3a plus 2b, a plus b minus a plus b, a plus 4b. Okay. So first term, second term, third term. What is common in them? A plus b, a
Plus
plus
b.
b, a plus b. This is common. Okay. Take it out. Take
Sir,
it
A
out.
plus
So
B is common.
we have taken it out. Now what will remain inside? 2a plus b plus 3a
3A
plus
plus
2b.
2B.
Okay. A plus b are taken out. So 3a plus 2b will be there. Now here minus. So a plus 4b. So whether it will be plus 4b or it will be minus 4b. Which sign will come here? Plus or minus? See, this minus is for the whole. A plus b were taken out. This
Sir,
minus sign is for the whole bracket. So it is
Sir,
like this.
minus will come.
Bracket and then bracket. This minus sign is for the whole. So when we open the bracket, minus a, minus 4b will come. Minus, okay, one more step I write. A plus b. Okay, let's add them. 5a plus 3b. Minus a, minus 4b. A plus b. 5a minus a, 4a. 3b minus 4b, minus b. Minus b. So this will be the answer. Is it clear? Okay. Try next one, everyone. Try next one. Everyone try next one. This is clear. So always pay attention here. This minus sign is for the whole. A plus b gone outside. So this minus sign is for a plus b the whole. So minus a, minus 4b will be there. Try next one. Six AB x square plus y square plus z square plus 8CD x square plus y square plus z square minus 9BC x square plus y square plus z square. So what's common there? If we seek 6AB,
X square plus
8CD, no common in them. Okay, x square plus y square plus z square is common. Take it out, x square plus y square plus z square. What will remain? 6
Sir,
AB
6AB
6AB
plus
plus
8CD
plus 8
minus
CD
9
plus
BC.
minus 9 BC.
9B. Okay, nothing common. So this will be the answer. Therefore, this will be the answer. Okay. So our exercise is complete. Tomorrow we will discuss the next exercise and we will talk now. 4 minutes we have. Yes. So any trouble, any issue, anywhere you are facing? Are you studying?
No.
So, okay, no, okay, that's good. Okay, so see here, those students who haven't studied from starting or have some portion have been lagging. So see here how you can cover that portion. The best way is whatever being taught at present, don't leave that. You must be up to date for that. Okay, that means, for example, these days, whatever is going, study that portion. And what about the earlier work? Each day, take a little from that. A bit you take from that, complete it. Next day, study whatever been taught in class, and as well from the back chapters, study a little. So that's way your present won't be lagging afterwards. And your back portion, whatever you haven't completed, it will be completed with time. Okay. So usually what we used to do, like we all used to do is that we start from the starting, but whatever going on present, we used to skip. So this will be pending after some time soon. So rather the best way is whatever going present we must study because we are familiar with that. We have already discussed that in class, so it's become easy to go through that. So whatever going in present, go through that. Don't leave that. And whatever backlog is there or whatever we haven't studied, take a little by little. And each day you will know in no time it will be covered. Very soon the back portion will be covered. Okay. And never take tension. Don't be stressed out of anything. Okay. Nothing bad is going to happen ever. Remember that one. Okay. So always study in time. Don't take tension. Study a little, play a lot. That's fine. For children, it's the best thing. But you have to study a little. And being child is the best time in life. Being child during the school time is the best time. School time is the best time. So enjoy it time, enjoy this time, live this time, and do your work. Start learning other things as well. You can utilize your time by learning others, some sports, some like art. You can learn the different forms of the art. Okay. As well, you can learn music, or as well you can learn different languages. It's up to you. So start like what should I say? So you can like different skills are there. You can make yourself perfect in those skills. Like if you like anything, do that work. Okay, art, work, any work you want to do, learn this time. This is the best time. During the student, during the child, during the school days, you have the most of the time you can learn these things. Okay, don't postpone those. Like when I grow up, I'll do this one. That is never going to happen. A very rare chances that that is going to happen. Or when I'll be college, I'll be doing that. No, do it now. Okay, so it's the best time. You have the lot time off there. So utilize time for yourself. Spend your time on yourself mainly. Okay, anything you want to ask?
No, sir.
So each day study a little. Each day study a little. At least you must study. Okay. Each day at least 2 or 3 hours you study. And rest time utilize in other stuffs. Other skills you try to learn. Other work you try to do. Help your parents at home. Do some work like gardening you can do. Or like artwork you can do. Make different stuffs. Like architecture is there. Or if you're learning hobbies, learning languages is your hobby, learn those languages. You can learn any language, Korean, Japanese, Vietnamese, Thai, Chinese, any language you can learn, French, Italian, any language you want to learn it now. You all know your internet, everything is available there. You can start from there, from the basics. Even YouTube videos are there for learning different languages or different artwork is there. You can go through them. If you're interested in technology, there are different videos for the technology as well. So you can go through them. Okay. So it's the best time. Utilize it, learn it, play a lot, and do your stuff. Okay. So our class ends here. Thank you all. So don't take tension. Study
Thank
a little. If you haven't studied anything till now, start it now. No issues. Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Bye,
Thank you.
sir.